Hey guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. In this video, we're going to be talking about Xpeng, where I think it's heading, and are we about to sell off even more. Now, before we get into this video, guys, I'd like to remind you that I do have a free Discord chat and link description below. We talk during market open, so if you need any questions while market is open, go ahead and join here. This is the best way to contact me while market is open. And like I said, I do also offer a membership program, $10.99 a month. I literally go live with them every single night. They call out the stocks they want me to, and I do that in the live stream. So if you missed the live stream, I upload it so y'all can watch that for later. So if that's something you're interested in, visit my website at markettrenders.com. It's the second option, or join the Discord server, and then I'll help you get that set up. Now let's get right into the video. Let's talk about Xpeng and what it actually did today. Now Xpeng is on the very fence, guys, of heading back down to 40.29 in my opinion. The reason why, let me get this line out of the way for y'all, is that we're really hovering above this support. We're hovering above the support at 43.78. I mentioned that this needs to hold. In yesterday's video, we were talking about that we had to sell off. Now, in order for us to be bullish, we need to hold the support level. And guys, we're right at the fence of this. If we don't hold this tomorrow and going into next week's session, be careful, because we're probably heading back down to 40.29. So if you're an investor right now and you got in, at the $50 range or whatever range it may be, I still wouldn't worry. Long term, Xpeng is going to do fine, but I would consider, maybe if you can, buying more. So I'd probably add more to this level right here. Now, I like also y'all to keep in mind that tomorrow is a half a day, so volume is going to be low. We're not probably going to have too much action, so don't expect much for tomorrow. Tomorrow, though, maybe another sell-off date, but either way, I'm still watching this 43.78 area. No matter what, even though it's a half a day tomorrow, I'm still looking, how do we interact around this area? Do we hold above it, or do we blow right through it? If we blow right through it, guys, I am expecting a pullback down to this pink line. Now, 40.29 would not be a bad area to either get in if you've been waiting on Xpeng, or to add on if you're an investor and you're able to do that. So if you're trading Xpeng, my stop loss would be at 38.82 on this one. So let me delete this old one. So my stop loss, if I bought at the support, if we do get to this support level, my stop loss would be around 38.73. So I'd give it to this candle wick right here. I'd keep it really tight. Now, I really don't want Xpeng going below that support just because it was a strong one. But if that case ever does happen, then I'm looking at the 35.93 area. But let's hope that never happens, and then we really do hold right here. That's what I'm looking at for Xpeng going to tomorrow's session. We need to hold this area. If we don't, we're heading back down to support at 59.29. So keep that in mind. Now, let's do the bullish case. So we did the bearish case that if we do break below, then we're falling back down to this area. Now, tomorrow, if we're bullish, I'm going to draw this out how I want it to play out. So going to tomorrow's session for Xpeng, we need to really get above this area right here, this mini resistance at 45.13, and ultimately, bigger picture, we still need to start uptrending back to this resistance at 48.06. We're not bullish, guys, in the bigger picture until we can get above 48.06 and hold above it. So I really want us to get above this area, come back to retest it, and then start uptrending again. So bullish case scenario going into the next couple of days and weeks to finish this year off strong, I want us to start uptrending back up and then retest it to confirm this support and then continue that uptrend. But right now, looking at Xpeng from today and tomorrow, y'all just need to focus on this small support right here at 43.87. Around that area, we don't need to break below that. Now we're really on the edge right here. So keep that in mind. But today, we're on recovery mode. We did gap down all the way to, what is that area? Around 43.15. So we did hit lows of almost $43. So we did recover part of the day. So I'd be very wary to see what it's doing tomorrow. Now let's look at the 15-minute time frame and see what it did. So yeah, look, we did break right below that support I was talking about, but we did come back, guys. So buyers did come, and then now pretty much for the rest of the day, if you've been watching Xpeng, it was pretty boring. It literally did nothing. We literally stayed right on this line throughout the whole day. Look at these candles. We literally stayed right on this line, and that's why I was talking to you guys that it's important that we stay above this support, because price typically holds that support, and when you break support, then that's when it starts falling down. And then guys, we did hold it today, so I'm not I'm not bearish ultimately for the moment time being until we hit 49.29. Now, Xpeng, I believe in the company as a whole, so longer picture, guys, next couple months, I'm not worried about Xpeng whatsoever. We have some exciting things coming on with Xpeng in January. I know they're releasing some more cars and some more technology, so I would not be worried about Xpeng longer term. And if you got a bad average back here at $50, don't panic. I know it sucks seeing it fall so much, but just ride this wave. Don't sell, because I do think Xpeng will turn around eventually. You just have to wait for that opportunity. But anyways, guys, once again, I'd like to remind you though, go ahead and join my free Discord server. You can talk to me during market open, and if you do need some extra help, then maybe you consider joining my membership program where I go live with them every single night. So anyways, thank you so much for tuning in my video. Now, like I said, Friday's Christmas, so I hope everyone has an amazing holiday. Hope you rest well, visit family, and I will see you all in the next video.